Hi, my name is Doug Pitts. I'm the Site Senior Executive for the Lucky Strike Mine in Western Australia. I was appointed to this role by the mine operator, Lucky Strike Mining Corporation Proprietary Limited. As the Site Senior Executive, I am responsible for the health and safety of everyone at Lucky Strike Mine. This is a responsibility I take very seriously, and to fulfill it, I rely on those who work for me, especially my supervisors and managers, to help make sure that our mine is a safe place to work and that we are complying with our legal obligations. This course has been developed to provide site-based supervisors and managers with an introduction to the requirements of work health and safety legislation. It will provide you with an understanding of what you can do to help ensure that health and safety obligations are being addressed, and more importantly, that the people you supervise are able to return home safely to their family at the end of every shift. This course is based on the Work Health and Safety Act 2020 and the Work Health and Safety Mines Regulations 2022. It replaces the Section 44 Appointed Persons course. I hope you enjoy this course, and I encourage you to give it your full attention so that you are best equipped to support the Site Senior Executive at your mine.